Limitation, a restrictive weakness or lack of capacity. Linear, involving only one dimension, such as a straight line. Lingo, the language or speech of a specific discourse community, social group, or occupation. Lingua, the tongue or a part like a tongue. Lingual, pertaining to languages or the articulations of the tongue. Linguist, a person who studies the theories and mechanics of languages. A polyglot. Linguistics, the science of language, including phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, pragmatics, and etymology. Liniment, a topical ointment. Liquefacient, something that liquefies or breaks a solid into a liquid. Liquefy, to make or become liquid. Liqueur, any of a class of alcoholic liquors, usually strong, sweet, and highly flavored. Liquidate, to convert inventory, securities, or other assets into cash. Liquor, a distilled alcoholic beverage. Listless, having or showing little or no interest in anything. Literacy, the ability to read and write. A person's knowledge of a particular subject or field. Literal, interpreting texts in accordance with the original meaning of the word or words. Actual or factual, not exaggerated. Literature, the entire body of writings of a specific language, period, people, etc. The writings dealing with a particular subject. Lithe, flexible, limber, pliant, bending readily. Lithograph, a print produced by ink impressions. Litigant, a person engaged in a lawsuit. Litigate, to make the subject of a lawsuit. Litigious, excessively or readily inclined to litigate. Inclined to dispute or disagree. Littoral, pertaining to the shore of a lake, sea, or ocean. Liturgy, a form of public worship. Livelihood, a means of supporting one's existence, especially financially or vocationally. Livid, furiously angry, enraged. Loam, a mixture of clay, sand, silt, straw, soil, etc. Loath, disinclined, reluctant, unwilling. Loathe, to feel disgust or intense aversion for. Locative, noting a case whose distinctive function is to indicate place. Lock, a lake or partially landlocked bay. Locomotion, having the power to move from place to place. Lode, a vein-like deposit of metal or valuable materials. Lodgment, the act of finding accommodation. Logic, systems and principles of reasoning.